Let's continue our examination into the criteria to make up successful academic writing. Criteria number 4 looks at sentence structure. Sentence structure refers to the production of grammatically correct, structurally sound, and meaningful sentences. Our focus today is on the writing and editing of grammatically correct, structurally sound, and meaningful sentences. This means, as elaborated on in these videos, that you are completing the basic elements of a sentence to include the subject, the verb, and the object, and to potentially build on it in more complex sentences with adjectives and adverbs. You're also going to have a look at thinking about what is the difference between a simple, compound, and complex sentences. It is necessary when composing responses, particularly when extended writing, to mix up and have variety in the different simple, compound, and complex sentences, and to make decisions about when to use this when writing. Throughout your academic and schooling, you have been emphasizing these different grammatical rules, which are important for composing effective sentences. A reminder that we use nouns and verbs, including action verbs. We can use similes. However, this is more appropriate when using persuasive writing techniques. Nouns, pronouns, and similes. Take time to read through these rules and of language and grammar. Use the examples and check when using and composing your writing whether you are following these rules correctly. Sentence starters are also quite a useful device to use in composing different sentences. For example, using a source of evidence, such as an expert in a field or a publication, such as Britannica, Encyclopedia Britannica, can demonstrate and signal to the reader or the marker that you can use evidence to justify a particular argument effectively. For example, the Business Council of Australia suggests that XYZ. This is supported by the report by the Atlassian Foundation, which further elaborates, etc. This can be used across any subjects, and it is important to vary the sentence starters within different elements of your paragraph, including the introduction, body, and conclusion. Further information about other language and grammar techniques are given, including adjectives, adverbs, and nouns. Don't forget that proper nouns do need require a capital. To check your understanding for this video, please complete these questions. The last criteria for academic writing that we will examine is a criteria for text structure, including having the structural components of a particular text. This includes using effective introduction, topic sentences, body paragraphs, and a conclusion, and are elaborated on in these videos. You will recognize some of these Peel paragraph structures that we have already been using in our writing, including the use of the basic Peel structure: point, evidence, explanation, and link. And this is elaborated on, or you may have seen it in different models, including the cheeseburger or the hamburger, and examples are given there. This is the very basics of a paragraph. Next, we will stop. To move our writing from appeal to appeal, we will examine next lesson how to use the alarm matrix or the extended Peel structure to compose a response. This is based on the alarm framework developed by the Blaxland team and is known as the alarm matrix. We will examine this further. For now, please complete the question to show your understanding.